Go.
Okay, so today we're talking about division number stories. Yesterday we worked on just dividing up numbers, breaking numbers apart. So this is kind of the same thing, except you have a story to go with it. So let's say Jane had 20 cookies. She had 5 friends to share with. How many cookies does each get? Okay, so first thing we're going to do is fill in this little chart. So we know, let's see, she has 20 cookies in all, because it says Joan had 20 cookies. She had 5 friends to share with. All right, we know she has 5 friends. So we need to know what goes here. We need to know how many cookies each friend gets. All right, and I would suggest using counters again, just like you used yesterday. So you would start with in all. In all is the number of counters you have in all. Okay, I'm going to just draw a nice array right over here. I'm going to draw 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, here are my 5 friends. Friend number 1, friend number 2, friend number 3, friend number 4, and friend number 5. Okay, if I circle these just like this, if I circle each group of friend and their group of cookies, I can see that there are 4 cookies in each group. All right, that means that each friend would get 4 cookies. All right, you might not know what your array looks like at first. So you might just say, okay, let's see, I've got 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does this look kind of how you made your groups the other day, yesterday on your desk? Okay, most of you, this looks how you made your groups. Okay, so let's see, I've got 20 cookies, so I'm going to start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Those of you counting out your counters, those of you working with counters, a big part of your problem was you didn't have the right number of counters to begin with. So you have to count your counters carefully. Okay, if I have 21, this is not going to work. If I have 22, it's not the problem. That's not what the problem is saying. You have to have exactly 20. And then what I can do is I can take, let's see, I need 5 to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I scribble those out and put them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know each person now has 1. I still have more cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can scribble those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pop them into groups like that. Let's see, do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have any remaining over here. Okay, so these ones I was able to split up evenly. Because look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Each friend gets 4 cookies. Okay? So my answer is going to be how many cookies does each get? 4, my unit is cookies. Alright? And then the number model for this, I want you to use your division. Okay? If we were multiplying, remember how I showed you to go 5 times 4 equals 20? A lot of you really got that. Well, for division, all you got to do is flip this around. Watch what you do. I'm going to scribble this out because I don't want you doing it that way. I want you to do this. 20, you take the bigger number, divided by 4 equals 5. It works backwards that way. Okay? And so for your number model, you flip it around. So you write it from left to right, but you write 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So guess what? If you can learn your times tables, 0s through 12s, you also know your division through 12s. Because all you've got to do is flip the answer around and divide. Okay? So that's what we're going to be working on today, division number stories.